Okay, let's head on over to station number 1 now and open it. And when you open station 1, this one's going to be taking what we talked about with those speed graphs and applying them to what's happening. So if you need to make them larger, you just click on the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner and hit the minus sign. Believe it or not, that makes the slides negative and these larger. So you're going to match the scenarios, and then you're going to look at the cards that match, and you're going to figure out the letters. So let's go over here. And you've got some cards. So I'm just going to say a bus slows down before reaching a stop sign. So I would drag that here, and if I'm looking here, slows down before reaching a stop sign, we know we have to go to 0. Well, the only one I see slowing down is this one, and it has a speed, and you can always, if it's hard for you to see those, you can always click on it and from the corner drag and make it larger so that you can see it. So it slows down, and then I'm going to come back here and I can hit reverse and it takes it back. So once I have all of them matched up, notice it is a light bulb and a horseshoe. So light bulb and horseshoe, there's horseshoe, horseshoe and light bulb. That's a V for my code that I'm going to be able to unscramble. So you're going to go through and you're going to match all of them up. Basically halves and halves will stay on the same page. That helps you out. And then you'll put your code letters, unscramble it, it makes a word here, and then you have 3 more questions. So to answer these, you'll actually draw, you click the draw tool, and you'll be able to draw a line on the graph for what it needs to be. So if I click the draw tool here, and then I can go and change my color on it, make it a line, and I can change my color on the drop down arrow over here. I can make it, and then you can draw a line for what your graph should look like. So that's what you do here.